What is this myth all about? Organizations think that if an antivirus is installed on employee devices, there is no need for a BYOD policy. Organizations believe that antivirus can not only protect the devices against viruses, but also secure corporate data present on employee-owned devices. An antivirus can only protect devices against known viruses, whereas a BYOD solution like Scalefusion does more by enabling application restrictions, enforcing passwords, collecting location samples, and allowing IT admins to wipe devices remotely in case of loss or theft. Scalefusion BYOD not only protects employee devices against any malware, but also safeguards corporate data security.